I think you could probably just set it down there.
Yeah, okay, are you ready?
It's gonna smoke the whole area if you just set it down.
So let's bring it a little. No, not the entrance. You don't want to smoke the third piece.
Wow, is that you freaking out? Going all Miss
This is the amount of freaking out I could do right now.
I'm freaking out.
Freaking out. I'm very nervous about this right now.
Getting ready to put them in the hive.
It's
a big move. Here they are. So excited.
Okay, don't be excited. Alright. Okay,
Now we have to put them in order.
You're right. Don't step on anybody.
It's okay. Hold on.
Go
You
in.
want to do the first frame?
Yeah, I'll do the first one.
Okay.
Alright. Alright.
We can take a look at the frame. Let me bring it here.
So productive little guys.
Right in there. Hi, ladies. Oh, why do you like that?
Why? Who?
Some of our ground.
I'm taking a bunch of short bursts of video in case you actually want to post something so they're not freaking 20 minutes long. I don't know what you want.
Just grab one?
Mine's just long,
They're stuck together.
Alright.
drawn out, so.
Well, hold on a second. Hold on. There's also this. The box makes it tight. So I'll pull apart.
See who is.
Wow, there's lots on that one.
She must be on here. Oh, right there. Look at her. Right in the middle.
Right where?
Right there in the
Hey,
middle.
calm down. Calm down.
Towards the bottom. Middle. Here she is. Up, up, up. No, up, up. See how big she is? She's right there.
Okay,
Yeah.
put her in. Put her in.
That's
You
her.
want to get a picture of her?
No,
I can't come any closer, but
that's fine. Get her in.
We have found the queen.
Yeah.
We might want to take out one of those end boards to give us room to maneuver. Alright, are we ready?
Yep.
For number 3. Where's that? Pardon me. Wow. Look at
That's
that.
loaded too.
Look at how bright it is.
maybe fit together where it's squish anyways.
I think you got plenty of room for the rest of them. I don't know that you need to have them too close. Just in looking, but
They have to be together.
Beautiful
This is
frame.
the spacer between.
Do you mind if I come closer to you, Jeff?
I can come in. Very cool.
Don't even need the smoker. Maybe just shut it.
No, I think we can just brush them.
Hey, ladies. Oh, by the way, guys, EpiPen. All right, last one. Have you seen any brood?
I think it's all hidden, but that's some, what's it called? No? Nice. This is driving me crazy.
All right, ladies. And we go. Last but not least.
Okay, I'm gonna shake a box.
No,
I'm gonna
what-
take the dead ones out.
I was about to say, leave them the other ones to fly in.
Yeah, you don't think any of them are nurse bees that can't fly yet?
I don't know. I think if you put them on top and then bang on it,
We wanna get rid of the dead ones first.
no, I think we just leave them be.
Maybe just leave the box out. Will they go back to the box as opposed to the new hive?
No, because the queen will stay there and there's no frames in here, so.
So just leave it out.
You only took out one frame?
I would think you just cover the lid up and let them.
But, oh, no, that's fine. We just have to scoot everything. Well, no, just scoot the follower board. No, scoot the follower board over, right?
Well, we can put another frame in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they do look like the cone is straight. Remember he was mentioning that?
Well, these are on foundation boards. Yeah? Good?
You know what? I think we are. Let's go ahead and put feeder.
Do we need to brush these guys off? Hold on, let's look at the bottom. Does that give them space? It must,
Yes. Yeah, see how the lip is?
right? Okay.
So, I'm going to...
We just don't want any on the
So
edges.
you guys don't use the second box yet?
No, I think you want to brush a little bit of them because that centerpiece
Well,
does
do
go
this.
down.
Smoke it. Smoke them to go down a little bit, maybe.
Because let me see the bottom of that box. So that has space, but see the center pins that are going to go across the center? Those would smash them.
That doesn't make him look happy at all. Oh, look at how good that is.
There you go, Katrina. Those are going down now, so.
Alright, we ready?
Yeah, I think you're good now.
Yep, yep, go.
Except for this guy.
Go.
Go ahead. Perfect.
Alright.
Perfect. Good job.
Now,
Sometimes you gotta sacrifice one for the greater good.
I don't think anybody got sacrificed.
Nobody gets sacrificed. We need the sugar, food, and a follower. Or food and food.
I'm at 10 minutes 31 seconds.
Got a bunch of 30-second blurbs.
We're gonna have to be ready to put
Do you
this
dump
on
it right
pretty
into
quick.
that box?
Yeah.
That's watertight?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
That's it?
Hold on, sweetheart. Yeah.
That's all? Huh. Okay. This one? No,
Yeah?
the oxygen needs to get to them. I don't want oxygen on the roof. Yeah. Right? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. And, dude, do you mind?
No, she's not a dude.
Do
Come here,
that.
sweetheart.
Thank
There
you.
Okay. Not quite sure. There's a lot of bees still in this box. I'm wondering if I should put them underneath the...
I think you should close the lid and they'll still come out through the top. Don't you
Right now
think?
they're all getting,
Wondering if we should have shaken it.
Well, they know how to get in there.
Yeah, if they're just give it. They're going to be out and about during the day, anyways. If they're
we got the queen in there. I think that's the main thing.
if there's an issue tonight, then get it done tonight. But with an open box, that's not really an appealing place to be.
Well, they'll be angry at night.
And we're done!
And we're done. Yay.
Oh wait, hold on. Let's redo the high five. Right.